It was another active day across the region as we had showers and thunderstorms roll through. Even a couple severe thunderstorm warnings issued a little earlier around dinner time. But since all that rain for the most part has moved out, but we do still have a flood watch that continues in 8 a.m. tomorrow morning because we'll have the possibility for a few more showers during the overnight hours. And some spots have seen a fair bit of rain over the last 24 to 48 hours. Let's look at the rainfall total since midnight, and you can basically take a marker right down 65. If you're west of 65, you really didn't get a whole lot of rain today, maybe about a tenth to a quarter of an inch. But if you got to the eastern side of 65, especially on the eastern side of Jefferson County, close to an inch and a half of rain. And then as you get farther into Oldham County, as you get into Shelby and Spencer County, over 2 inches. And that was where our big winners were. The farther east you go, maybe even 3 to 5 inches as you go from Frankfort down to Lexington. And that continues up into the eastern portions of Indiana, where they dealt with widespread and major flooding up there, flooding entire towns, causing flood emergencies to be issued as more than 10 inches of rain fell in a few spots up there. But locally here, for the most part, we didn't see a whole lot of rain with that system. And it's not done yet. We still have some more impact weather to go. As mentioned, scattered storms likely again tonight and throughout our Thursday. A few could be strong to severe once again with gusty winds and some downpours. The storm outlook for tomorrow, good news is we're no longer in that slight. We just have a marginal risk for the entire viewing area. So just the possibility of a few isolated strong to severe storms. I think kind of similar to what we saw today. Most of us will get some rain and even some rumbles of thunder, but 1 or 2 of those could be on the stronger side. Not going to be as widespread as what we've dealt with the past couple of days. So the rain that we had earlier continues to push to the south and east. But again, we're getting some of that redevelopment already starting to form just off to the north across southern Indiana. You can see we had a cell moving through Scott County, now moving in the northern Clark County, just to the north of Charlestown. We got a cell moving towards the Seymour area as you get up into Jackson County, Jennings County, getting some decent light to moderate showers. Those will be pushing in the northern Jefferson County, just to the north of Madison. So we still could be dealing with some of these scattered showers and even a few rumbles of thunder through the overnight. Now, the model not doing the best job of picking up on that. Maybe as we get closer to about 4 o'clock, it starts to show some of this activity developing across southern Indiana. So there's going to be that possibility through the night and into tomorrow morning. So once again, a few communities as you wake up will have some showers and even maybe a rumble of thunder around. I do think late morning, midday, most of us get a break. We could get some sunshine to heat things up, but there you see more of that activity developing, and it looks like another round could move through around dinner time for our Thursday, especially across southern Indiana. And then even as we go into Friday, could be watching for a few more rounds. So we're still going to be kind of in this unsettled pattern, at least for the remainder of the work week. By the weekend, though, that's when that drier weather moves in. Live look over downtown Louisville to wrap up this Wednesday evening. We're dry. The rain did cool things off. We've dropped into the 70s. A little bit of a breeze out of the south at 5 miles per hour. So through the overnight, warm and muggy with those scattered showers and a few storms as we go through the overnight. Temperature is basically steady in the low 70s. So some impact weather in the form of scattered showers to start off our day. We'll dry up midday, and that's when temperatures climb into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees before that next batch of some scattered storms get in your late day tomorrow and into tomorrow evening. And then for our Friday, we'll hang on to a few lingering, again, mainly in the morning, 92. The weekend does look dry, but it's going to get hot. We're talking temperatures mid to upper 90s for highs. Feel like temperatures in the triple digits. So summer not done just quite yet. And then another system brings some scattered storms on Monday before we dry up Tuesday and Wednesday. But look at those temperatures for the weekend. Oh, could be some of the hottest temperatures we've seen all summer.
All right, that weather pattern keeping you on your toes.
That it is.
Eric. All right, thanks, Eric. Well, they may be convenient.